Mm-hmm. Yo, what's up guys? Meron po tayong meron pong dumating dito na nag-deliver na ref. Yun yung in-order naming ref. Sharp. Ito naman ay carbon fiber water purified. Ito yung water purified. Kasama na to dito. Bumili kami kasi may binili din kami air cooler, tapos hindi pa dumating. Ayan. Yung air up. So makakapag-stock na tayo ng mga pagkain natin or lulutuin. Ayan. May bago na tayo. Tapos dito lalagyan ko ng ayan, kung hindi na tayo bibili ng ice ulit. Yan tayo araw-araw bibili ng ice kung malamig. Yan guys. So ngayon po ay pupunta ko dun sa kay Mira. Susunduin natin siya. Alright. Must take out the any plastic. Meron na kaming new refrigerator. Bagong ref.
Sini aku.
I think we here.
Because ini already compared.
We put here. And then this.
Yeah, I closed the door.
Kalat pa ang bahay natin.
There's a lot
Ang
of
dami.
things, many fruit.
Many food.
So, because you're gonna diet.
Really?
You ada fish I
So, ada lagi chicken. Because I want to separate this. Mas plastic ada. Ada you ada kecil plastik ada. Tupperware lagi ada.
I want to buy Tupperware. Coba.
Okay, let's go now. We clean this first.
Clean lah. What time I want to go in?
Let's go. I see more. Ada. So, ayun guys, ito na yung laman ng ref. Yung empty pa. Ito po ay carbon fiber water purified. Ayan siya. Kakapit ko dun sa gripo, sa may sink. Bubuksan natin mga kaibigan. Libre lang to. Kasama dun sa ref. So, ito siya. Guys, ipagpatuloy natin dito kasi mahirap dun. Okay. Tapos close. Parcel guys, Pensonic. So ito ay in order ni Mira kasi mainit dito kasi sa bahay namin. So ito ay air cooler. So i-unbox natin yan mamaya pag nandito na siya. So ngayon ay magluluto muna tayo ng adobo, chicken adobo. So yan, simulan na natin. So ito kalahating manok. Meron na ako ditong hiniwa na garlic tsaka sibuyas, onion. Tapos ito ay potato. So, right. Let's go. Wala natin dito. Una natin, mantika. Konti mantika lang. Lagyan na natin. Kalimutan. Okay, what's up? Tapos na kami guys kumain at ang ulam namin yung adobo. Anggoy, how's my adobo?
Oh, 5 star.
5 star? Really?
See
You lie.
No?
Yun guys, nasarapan daw siya. Hindi ko na na-video yung habang kumakain, nakalimutan ko. Alright guys, ngayon po ay mag-unboxing tayo ng hair color. So, turning. Buksan natin.
Put your scissors.
Alright. So, nandito na guys. Show. Yan. Yung hair color natin. So, natin lang natin to. Alright. Okay. I-open yung light ah. So, ito po. So dito ito yung saksak. Ito yung
Ice.
lagyan mo ng wata. Isa ng wata.
I think not from behind, from front.
So i-try natin guys. Okay. Power. So let's start na. So yan po, gumagana. Ayos to, titry natin mamaya pag natutulog. Tatry namin to. So, right. So yun, ngayon po ay mag-unboxing na din tayo. You want to unboxing yours ah? I unboxing for you ah.
Ito, that's good.
Ah.
Ini not.
Okay guys. Mag-unboxing po kami ng
Birthday present.
birthday present,
From
birthday
my
gift from
friends.
her friend. Matagal na to.
This one.
This one first.
What do you think? Inside here.
I don't know. Your eating prayer.
No?
Uy, Tupperware.
Tupperware.
Container.
This
This
one,
uy,
glass.
ini
Careful.
one di ba?
No? This one, American.
Kenapa ini ada nama?
Oh, ini
Oh,
open
lock.
first. If you not open and then you want it difficult not to lock.
Oh, this one nak. Ini ada
Oh, and
password.
If hot food, you want open and then lock and then you close.
Kalau apa ada number password dah.
Ni dah.
Lock. Ini lock. Serius. Okay guys, ang unang gift, ang unang present is container.
Container.
Food container.
Okay.
So next.
Papa. This one, the short girl, she purposely make it blue because I like blue.
Okay, open.
Open and
Praying. Apa ini?
Caca. Praying.
Baju.
Baju.
Okay, next.
And then this one from Chinese
His
boy.
Chinese friend.
Only got Chinese, one Chinese in my team. One also purposely give me blue color.
Oh.
Green. In front. In front. Green.
Oh, it's apa tadi?
Tumbler.
Tumbler.
Yeah. Tumbler.
Open.
Cantik kot. Bersih cantik. Got straw.
Oh,
Got cover.
very nice. Everybody you can get drink.
Cantiknya.
Ui, very nice ah. This cover. Wow, mana?
Cantik kan?
Nice one.
I'll show you what I give them. My one is not so cantik, but it's cute.
Ito pang linis.
Oh, I don't have it.
Bukan kenapa? Iya bukan.
I silap di sana.
No need lah.
But I don't picture. I give them this one. Picture na aku, picture na aku. Picture na aku.
Sure lah.
This
Mana ini?
one. Mouse pad.
Mouse.
But for our picture.
Cartoon.
Cartoon.
Cartoon picture.
Ugly picture cartoon.
Alright.
Mouse pad.
Spell.
That's it. Money.
Okay guys, that's it. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat sa panunood. At saka maraming salamat sa panunood.
Betul panunuit. Panunuit what?
Pansin.
Thank
Thank you for watching.
Thank you guys. Bye bye. See ya.
Peace out.